Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to celebrate World Kindness Day. So let's get started. To draw the earth, let's first start by drawing a circle. So I'm just going to be using this as my circle template, nice and big. So about right there, I'm going to go ahead and trace this CD. And yes, this is a CD in case you don't know what it is. Okay, so go ahead, just make it nice and dark, and I have a nice big circle in. Then from there, let's come into the center and we're going to draw a heart for the kindness, right? So let's say about right here, I'm going to draw it at a tilt. So I'm just going to say go about right here and here. I'm going to give myself 2 points, so it's just easier for me to draw my heart. I'm going to go up and around, nice full heart. And bring it right back to my point. And same thing here. Just gonna eyeball it and about right there. Go ahead and bring it in. There, so I have my heart in. Then from there, I'm just gonna draw these random shapes to symbolize the land. So say about right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and basically just surround my heart. There's no right or wrong way. And so maybe about here, draw another. And here. I really hope this drawing inspires you to spread kindness on World Kindness Day. Or any day, right? But today is special to celebrate and to remember to be kind to each other. Okay, so I have it surrounded, and you can come in here just to spruce it up. Maybe just add some little islands. Just to make it look, break it up. Maybe one over here, just a tiny one. And that is pretty much it for the drawing part. Now what I'm going to do is I'm decided to make it look like a flower to symbolize all the colors of the world and nature, and just, I love flowers, right? And so I thought it was just very fitting and it'd be perfect to add all these colors to it. So I'm going to be drawing 6 petals all around this earth. And to make it easier, what I'm going to do is basically split the circle in half. So if you want to kind of be a little bit more accurate, I'm just going to give myself a point here. And so this is kind of like half of the circle. And using this as my half, I'm going to draw 3 petals. It just makes it a little bit easier to figure out, and then 3 petals on this bottom part. And I'll do that with a bunch of colors. So I'm going to use your basic Crayola marker and some color pencils. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this turned out and that it really inspires you to draw it for World Kindness Day or any day to spread kindness around the world. We really need it right now, right? So thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it and I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.